The Realme Narzo 70 is now official in India, along with the Realme Narzo 70X, with 5G support. Among this two, the Realme Narzo 70 is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Realme Narzo 70 smartphone. The Realme Narzo 70 5G sports a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MC4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is further expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme Narzo 70 5G features a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top, and the company promises to provide 3 years of security updates and 2 years of software upgrades. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.95 by 75.45 by 7.97 millimeters, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the Narzo 70 5G smartphone. The Realme Narzo 70 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 15,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 29th, in forest green and ice blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 70 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.